So this hair is making me feel all types of pulled together, and I'm here for it.
And nothing but so good. Ride it coming, 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 ride it coming.
Hey y'all. I need some icy hot Peloton cruise. Let me sit down. Let me sit on down. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by the Wig City. They were kind of sending me a unit to review for you guys. As part of my Summer Slay series, I will also be collab with one of my YouTube babes by the name of DeAnnaMonet. If you do not know her, you need to get to know her, okay? Because my girl is on the rise. DeAnna is super sweet and she's also very business oriented. My girl just started her very own accessories line, which will be linked down below, as well as her video. So make sure you guys check them both out. I personally ordered some goodies from her accessories line because they are affordable, okay, and I'm trying to slay on the budget, okay? So definitely check out her unit and some accessories to get your, to get your summer together. Whether it's in the backyard or the grocery store, okay, we still gonna look good. Ain't nothing gonna stop this slay, okay? But as always, before we get into the specs of this unit and this install, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, so before we get into this install and these specs or whatever, let me, y'all know what time it is, okay? Let me go ahead and open up my wine, okay? Stella Rosa Peach. That's what we drinking on today for this sip and slay. Yum. I wanted to get my Stella Black, but it was all out. I was sipping a little bit during the week, so then that's good, that's good, that's good. Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from the Wig City. This is my first time working with this Black-owned business, okay? Black woman-owned business. Get that money, sis. So when she reached out to me to collab with her, I was like, yes, let's go ahead and do that. And when she showed me this unit, I was like, ooh, let me go ahead and try that one because I've never done that before. And y'all, you can already tell. I'm pressed. Okay, but let's get into this, this hair really quick so I can show you guys the install, okay? Okay, so this unit comes from Outre. It is part of the Human Hair Blend Big Beautiful Hair Series. This is the 4C Corkscrew Afro, and it comes in 9-piece clip-ins. No wig today. The color I got is TD Choco Caramel, and it does retail for $21.95. $20 for clip-ins.
And nothing but so good.
Ooh, she got it. So you get 4 pieces of the 3-inch wefts. You get 1 piece of the 5-inch, 1 of the 7-inch, 1 8-inch, 1 10-inch, and 1 12-inch. That was enough to do my hair. Honestly, I probably could have spaced mine out a little bit more in the back. I wasn't really sure how to, put these in, use the air. I was being lazy. I ain't really taking them back out. So I just left it how it was. Now I do have a leave out around my front. So let me go ahead and show you guys how I put these clip-ins in for my hair. If you don't know, I do have PCOS. So some of my hair in the middle is very thin. And that's because it was literally bald all the way in the middle of my crown. My hair has started to grow back since the last time I did my 2nd or 3rd big chop, which was in December of 2018. I'm able to put my hair back in a ponytail right now. I have a lot of length retention. So if you happen to see any type of bald spot or thin spot or whatever else, just ignore it, okay? Just know your girl is still flourishing. So let me go ahead and show you guys how I put these clip-ins in my hair, and then we'll come back and talk about what I think about them. I mean, you should already know, but we're gonna talk about it anyway.
Steady say, tell me, I don't care if you hurt. I don't tell you, you don't care if you're true. Tell me, I don't care if you hurt. I don't tell you, you don't care if you're true.
Less than 5 minutes to put these joints in. Super easy, y'all. I'm in love, y'all. I am in love with this unit, especially for the color. This color is, oh, Y'all, look at this color. Do y'all see this color, huh? Obviously, you can tell that my hair is black. So when I put these back in, I will probably leave a little less of my leave out, but it looked like my roots are growing out. That's all. So I'm not mad at this, y'all. If you want to go in and use your blow dryer to kind of stretch this hair out a little bit, you can definitely do that. This unit is heat safe. There's no shedding with these clip-ins that I saw, but I did not run my fingers, you know, a lot through this hair because I wanted it to stay in the tight, you know, curl pattern. There was a little tangling when I had to pull some of them out, so, you know, be mindful. Oh, well, there's the piece of shedding. I ain't worried about that. Our natural hair sheds, Claudine. I will tell you though, be careful how you put the clip-ins in. If you clip them the wrong way, they can pull your hair a little bit. And because these are clip-ins, you can do a lot of versatile styling with this. Now, if you don't have any hair to leave out or you don't want to do any leave out on your unit, there's another YouTuber who did these exact same clip-ins, same color, and she didn't leave any hair out. So if you want to check her out, I will link her video down below so you can do that. Let me just show you, let me spin around so you guys can see, okay, how this is looking. It's a lot of hair, but you know what? We don't care. We're gonna rock it like it, we're gonna rock it anyway. Now this part is a little thin up here. Like I said, I put the clip-ins a little bit closer in the back. So when I got up here to the front, I wanted to put more in the bang area. So if you see any spaces or whatever, ignore it. And if I want to pull it back, I can do that because the clip-ins are behind my hairline. Y'all see, look. She looks good, okay? She looks blessed. I'm loving how this is looking. I can see my jawline. The bigger the hair, the slimmer the face. The flatter the hair, the fatter the face. So this hair is making me feel all types of pull it together, and I'm here for it. It's bouncing, it's moving, it's not stiff. Okay, I'm natural-ish. Okay, I'm natural-ish. I did something else new today. Okay, I tried another lippy. Now y'all know Fenty Beauty, that Fenty Glow lip gloss, that's bae. Okay, but I tried something different today, and I tried Kisses by Key. She's on Instagram. She has a lip gloss line. Y'all, luscious. Okay, mwah. So she sent me over a couple lip glosses, and what I love about Key is that she gives you a card with like a little saying on it, or like, you know, a confidence saying, which I can't find mine right now. God dang it. It's a card that she sends with every single order, basically to, you know, to boost your confidence, to let you know, black women, we are beautiful, okay? We are us. So I'm here for Key. Thank you so much for sending me these lip glosses. So these are the two that I have on today. I will put them both down below so you guys know exactly which ones I have on, but I use my Crown Case, another black owned business by Super Scent, my Crown Case Bare Lip Liner, and then I use these two lip glosses. It's not sticky, it's not leaving any type of that white film or nothing on my mouth. Put them both down below so you guys can check them out if you can. Okay, so there we go with that. Mwah. Shout out one more time to the Wig City for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link for my unit down below so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.